Hello everyone, welcome to class everyday. Today we are going to learn about operations on fractions. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In previous video we have learnt about like and unlike fractions. So in this video first of all we will learn about addition and subtraction of like fractions, and after that we will add and subtract unlike fractions. So let's start with like fractions. Addition, first of all we will do addition of like fractions. As you know, like fractions are those fractions in which denominators are same. Okay, we can take any example, like you can take 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So as you can see, these are like fractions because denominator is same. So for adding we will keep the denominator same and we will add only numerator. 2 plus 3, it will become 5 over 5. Now we can cancel these also. 5, 1 is your answer. Now if subtraction is given, then we will follow the same steps, means we will keep the denominator same and we will subtract numerators. So let's take this one, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. As these are like fractions, so take the denominator same and subtract numerators. 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. Now these are the questions in which denominator is same, means fractions are like fractions. So what will happen if fractions will be unlike, means denominator is different. Let's take unlike fractions, means we will add and subtract unlike fractions. So let's take an example. First we will write addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. As you know, unlike fractions are those fractions in which denominator is different. So let's take an example. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 8. As you can see, denominator is different. So in these types of questions, what we will do, we will take LCM of denominators. So as you can see, this is 4, this is 8. So 4 is a factor of 8. We can directly take 8 as LCM, or you can take like this if you don't know the 2, 2, 1. As you can see, 8 is our LCM. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now we have to make these fractions like fractions. ठीक है, जो भी उसका LCM है वो ही हम उसका क्या बना देंगे, डिनोमिनेटर. कैसे करेंगे? 5 बाई 4, 4 को हमें क्या बनाना है, 8. तो 4 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 से. 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, 8. अब फ्रैक्शंस में क्या होता है, जिस भी नंबर से आप डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे उसी नंबर से न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 2, it will become 10 by 8. Now this is 3 by 8, means this is already, this is having denominator as 8 only. So now add 10 by 8 and 3 by 8. As you can see, these are like fractions. So take 8 as a denominator, common denominator, and 10 plus 3, it will become 13 by 8. So this is improper fraction. You can convert this into mixed fraction by dividing this. 13 divided by 8, 1 za and 5. Now it will become 1, 5 by 8. Now if we have to subtract this fraction, so what we will do, we will change this sign into subtraction and we will follow same step, means we will find first LCM, then we will make these fractions as like fraction, and then we will subtract by taking denominator as a common denominator, and 10 minus 3 will become 7. So it will become 7 by 8. Now let's see what will happen when we will multiply fractions. Okay, now let's do multiplications of fractions. Multiplications of fractions. Now let's take an example. 15 by 32 multiply 12 by 25. Now we have to multiply these fractions. In case of multiplication, we need not to take LCM. We will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. If we can cancel these numbers, then we can cancel also, otherwise we will multiply. So what we will do, 15 over 32 multiply 12 over 25. As you can see, we can cancel these numbers. We can cancel this by 2 6s, it will become 16. Now again we can cancel by 3, 2 3s 6, 2 8s 16. Similarly, we can cancel 15 and 25 by 5, 5 3s 15, 5 5s 25. Now multiply these numbers. 3 into 3 will become 9 and 8 into 5 will become 40. So this is our answer. Okay, now let's do division of fractions. So this is our question, 4 by 6 divided by 8 by 9. So in division, what we will do, we will convert the sign of division into multiplication and we will take reverse of this number. Reverse means reciprocal. Reciprocal का क्या मतलब है, इसका उल्टा कर दें, means 9 को लिख दें हम ऊपर और 8 को नीचे, 9 by 8. ठीक है. यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमिरेटर बाय न्यूमिरेटर, मतलब 4 को 9 से और 6 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी आप लिख सकते हैं. और अगर ये कैंसिल हो रहे हैं तो हम इनको कैंसिल भी कर सकते हैं. एज यू कैन सी ये कैंसिल हो रहे हैं ना, 4 1 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8. ये दोनों भी किस में, 3 की टेबल में आते हैं ना. तो 3 2 ज़ा 6 और 3 3 ज़ा 9. वी कैन राइट आवर आंसर 3 1 ज़ा 3 एंड 2 2 ज़ा 4. Okay, so this is our answer. So that is all about operations on fractions.